Good morning, dear children. I welcome you all here in English classroom. And before starting this video, let us have a quick recap of simple present tense. Children, in simple present tense, we have learned about habits and routines, permanent situations, facts, state verbs. Alright? So, we have discussed about the syntax of simple present tense, that we have to use the subject first, and then according to the subject we have to use verb and then the object. If our subject is singular, then we have to use plural verb, and if our subject is plural, then we have to use singular verb. Singular verb means without s. Plural verb means with s or es. For example, I have given you examples also, that Sohail is a singular subject, so we will use plural verb, and as I is plural subject, so we will use singular verb. Alright, we have discussed about permanent situations, that if permanent situation is there, then we will use only simple present tense. We will not use continuous tense. Next, we have learnt about facts, means truth. If any fact is there, then we will use only simple present tense. If we are having real facts, then they are not going to change in any of the situation, and with these facts we will not use continuous tense. We will only use simple present tense. Moving further, we have learnt about state verbs, that with the state verbs we will only use simple present tense. We will not use present continuous tense. Children, I hope things are clear to you all. Alright, now in this video we will learn present continuous tense. Children, present continuous is used to express temporary actions. Children, we have already discussed about temporary actions and permanent actions in simple present tense. In simple present tense, we have discussed with the permanent situations, we will use simple present tense, and with the temporary situations, we have to use present continuous. So I hope this point is clear to you all, and I just want to clear you that with the temporary actions, you have to use present continuous, and with the permanent situations, you have to use simple present tense. Alright, now see children, second use of present continuous. Present continuous is used to express an action taking place at the time of speaking. We'll take examples also to clear you this point, and I'll clear you this point also. But before that, we should know that what is the helping verb for present continuous. Is, am, and are. These three are the helping verbs for present continuous. Now let us see the syntax for present continuous. First, we have to use the subject. Then, according to the subject, you have to use is, or am, or are. Then verb first form plus ing. Alright, children, see, I'll tell you that where you have to use is, or am, or are. See this table. With the subject I, you have to use am. With he, she, it, or any singular subject, you have to use is. With you, we, they, you have to use are. Okay? You can add that with the singular nouns or singular subject, you have to use is. with the singular nouns you have to use is, and with the plural nouns you have to use are, with the plural subjects also. Alright? Fine. Now let us take one example. Manu is learning to play the guitar. Children, this sentence show you the temporary situation. This sentence means that Manu is taking guitar lessons twice a week, maybe thrice a week, maybe once in a week. So, or we can say that he is in the process of learning to play instruments, right? So, this is the temporary situation. Alright, now just see the classification. Manu is the subject. According to the singular subject, we have used is. As I told you that with the singular subject, you have to use is. Alright, verb first form plus ing, then the rest of the information. This is the object. Right? Okay. Now, let us take another example. I am watching an interesting serial at the moment. I is the subject. Am is the helping verb according to the subject I. Verb first form plus ing. An interesting serial is the object, and this is the other information. Alright, this sentence is also a temporary situation. Children, at that moment is showing you the temporary situation. Alright, means I am watching an interesting serial at that moment only. Right, so this is the temporary situation. Okay, let us take another example. My sister is staying with us for a couple of weeks. This sentence means my sister is not going to stay with us permanently. Right? It means that she is going to stay with us for a couple of weeks, for a couple of months, for a couple of years, but she is not going to stay with us permanently. So, it is the temporary situation, and with the temporary situations, we have to use present continuous only. Alright? Okay. Now, we'll discuss second use of present continuous tense, that is, actions happening now means at the time of speaking. Children, to clear this use, let us take an example. I am drinking coffee right now. Children, this sentence is not about the habit, routine, or the general situation. It is all about the action happening now. Right? And it is happening at this moment only. Alright, so this sentence show you the action happening at the time of speaking. Alright, let us see the classification also. This is the subject. This is the helping verb. This is verb first form plus ing. And then the object, and then the rest of the information. Okay, let us take some more examples. We are having breakfast. See children, this sentence is also an example for the actions happening at the time of speaking. Okay, this action is happening now only. It is happening at this moment only. So, we will use present continuous. See another example. It is raining outside. This is also an example of the action happening at the time of speaking. That's why we have used present continuous. Here it is the singular subject. According to the singular subject, we will use helping verb is, then verb first form plus ing, and then the rest of the information. Children, I have given one more example of plural subject, that is Tanu and Manu are dancing. Children, see, Tanu and Manu both are singular subjects, but as they are joined by the conjunction and, they'll become plural. Okay, so we'll use are with these two subjects joined by and then verb first form plus ing. So as they are the plural subjects, we'll use are over here. Alright? Fine. Children, in the next video, we will learn how to change affirmative to negative. I hope, children, these things are clear to you all. And I hope that you all will write your feedback, your queries and your doubts in the comment section. As I always tell you, we will meet in the next video and will discuss how to change affirmative to negative in present continuous. Till then, take care of yourself, take care of your family, stay at home, study at home. Please wash your hands frequently. Thank you for watching this video, children. Have a good day.